guys, so I'm going to do a review of these organic frozen raspberries. I got these at Costco, they were on sale, so I'm going to open it up and do a quick taste test. Some of these things do taste different. The organic strawberries were really good, so let's open this up. Okay, so there it is, the organic raspberries. Let's do a quick taste test of one of them. There it is. Ooh, okay, so these are pretty good. They have a lot of raspberry flavor, and it's not overly sour. So it is sour, but not overly sour like some of the ones that you get. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please go subscribe to the channel.